Today I'm gonna build another workshop helper that's gonna fix a big problem for me. It's going to be an outfeed table for my table saw. You see, the problem is when I'm cutting long pieces of wood on my table saw and I push them all the way through, I have nothing that supports the workpiece here. And even so much that with some pieces it happens that it tends to fall. So today I'm going to build an outfeed table for my table saw with some leftover plywood that I have and some hinges that are probably older than I am. Okay, let's get to it. The plywood was laying outside for a while, so it got a little bit dirty. I sanded that off, and this is basically my idea. I'm gonna attach one of the panels to the workbench. A third hand would be nice. And then I can attach a second panel to this one, and then I can fold it up if I need it. But then I would cover up the dust collection, which I obviously don't want. So I'm gonna mark that out roughly and then cut out a hole in both pieces, and then I think I can start assembling everything. Okay, I ran into a little problem here. My plan was to attach these pieces with some hinges, so I could then fold them up and they would be supporting the top plate that's going to be the face of the outfeed table. But the table itself, when folded, needs to lay on top of the whole construction, and with these normal hinges, that simply wouldn't work. So I would need to attach one piece that is as thick as these foldable pieces, where I can then attach the hinge and the table itself. But that also means these foldable pieces need to be exactly the same size. And the only smart choice would be to take some more of this. Okay, this is what the construction looks like so far. These will be the foldable pieces, and to be honest, it's weird that it's already so complicated. And yeah, I don't know, I think I just have to assemble it. When I started this project, I didn't put any thought in it how all of this should work, and I just thought, well, I figure everything out on the way. But now this is like a little bit over-engineered, I think, but I think I just have to get going. Okay, I have a little setup here. I clamped this beam down so that I can use it as a straight edge to align everything. And we will start with this piece right here. I clamped a piece of plywood down to my table saw, so I can push the whole assembly against it and hopefully then have an outfeed table that aligns with the Tablesaw table. I don't know. At this one, I'm just checking boxes. A third hand would be nice. Why did I put the screws up here? Okay. Where's the second one? Okay, the whole thing is held by 2 screws, which is concerning. Yep. Oh, the battery is dying. I just hope I didn't push this too far, which it looks like I did. I think I did. I think I did. Oh, no, 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 no. The question is, can I sand it off?